Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This video is part of my series on using Python to collect stock and other financials data. So in the past, we've talked about how to use Python to get historical or real-time stock prices, fundamentals data, and lots of other information. So if you want to check those things out, please go down to the description below where I have links to the other videos. And as always, make sure to like and share this video. That really helps me out. And if you want to see future videos of mine, make sure to subscribe to my channel and to click the bell. That'll make sure that you get notified when I post future videos. And for this video in particular, we're going to be talking about how to use Python and the Yahoo Fin library to scrape information on dividends and splits data about particular stocks. There's a link in the description below that talks more about how to install Yahoo Fin, so if you're not familiar with that, I would suggest watching that video first. But now let's go ahead and dive in. Alright, so let's dive into the coding part. I'm going to open up Spider to write some Python code, but if you want to use another environment like Jupyter Notebook or PyCharm, that's totally up to you. And to get started, we just need to import the Yahoo Fin library, and specifically we're going to pull in the stock info module. So I'll write import yahoofin.stockinfo as SI. And now let's start by getting back the dividends information on a particular stock. So how do we do that? We just need to type in si.getDividends, and then in parentheses and in quotes, we can put in the name of the stock or the ticker symbol of the stock that we want to get the data for. So for example, if we want to get the data for Apple, we just need to type in the ticker symbol for Apple. So I'll type that in and click run. And now this pulls back a data frame going back to 1987 that shows the dividend information for Apple. And you can see it all the way through the present day. So the last time there was a dividend was May 8th, and it was 82 cents per share. And if we want to try a different stock, so let's say like AT&T, we could type in the ticker symbol for AT&T, and that'll pull back that dividend information. You can also put a start date and end date filter within your get dividends function call. So if I wanted to only pull back data, let's say from 2018 onward, I could say si.getDividends. In this case, I'll use AT&T again, and I could put start date, and I'll just put January 1st, 2018. And that will pull back the dividends information only from 2018 onward. And similarly, I can add an end date parameter. So I'll just type in end date. And this time I'll say, let's say January 1st, 2019. And that'll give me the dividend information between January 1st, 2018 and January 1st, 2019, which is just 4 quarters. All right, so in addition to getting dividends data, we can also get back splits information on stocks. So let's say we want to get splits information on Apple. We would write si.getSplits. And here again, just like in the get dividends call, we just put in the name of our ticker symbol. So here, this will show us the splits data from 1987 through 2014. So in this case, there's 4 different records for Apple having a split. And then if we want to look at another stock, so let's say AT&T, I can run that. And this will show 3 different records when there was a split for AT&T. And similarly, for any other stock, you just put in the ticker symbol for get splits or get dividends. And if you want to run these functions on a collection or a list of stocks, you can do that as well. So like in a previous video, I talked about how to use Python and Yahoo Fin to pull back the list of stock ticker symbols in the Dow or in the NASDAQ or S&P. Or if you have a particular list on your own self-selected list, you can use that to apply the get dividends function or get splits function on each of those tickers. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And again, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get notified of future videos. Thank you so much for watching.